Hey guys, I got the motor almost all tore down. I keep forgetting to record this stuff, get caught up in doing things, but got the oil pan off and intake manifold, but I'll show you guys how when I put it back together. I'm going to take it over and have a cam put in it and have some different pistons and just kind of go through it and hone the cylinders. And I mean, yeah, it only has 130,000 miles on it, but if I'm doing it, let's just do it right. So by the time we're done, this will put out close to 600 horse. It'll be cool. I'll let you guys know what I put in it. Haven't quite decided. I still deciding, but I think I'm gonna put like a sloppy 2 cam in it, but we'll see what happens. But I've got all the parts everywhere, spread out everywhere in here. So I got to order a few more parts, but it is definitely coming along. I'm super excited. He says he'll have this thing built within 10 days, so it'll be good. Cool. Well, hit subscribe. Check out more of my video as we assemble this. But sorry guys, I didn't get it recorded.